Welcome to our Flutter tutorial. In this video, we're going to explore the Asset Image Widget, a powerful tool for displaying images that are bundled with your app. Understanding the Asset Image Widget is crucial for incorporating visual assets into your Flutter apps. Let's get started. First, let's clarify what an Asset Image Widget is. An Asset Image Widget is a Flutter widget used for displaying images that are bundled with your app. It allows you to present images that are part of your app's assets, such as icons, graphics, and more. Let's start by adding images to your project. In your Flutter project directory, create a folder named Assets if it doesn't already exist. You can create folder with any name but images and asset used for professional coding. Place your image files in this assets folder. Now, let's configure your pubspec.yaml file to include these assets. Open your pubspec.yaml file and add an Assets section. Under Assets, list the paths to your image files. Indentation is crucial. Now that your images are set up as assets, let's use the Asset Image Widget to display them. Here's a basic example of an Asset Image Widget in your Flutter code. You set the Asset Name property to specify the path to the asset you want to display. The Asset Image Widget takes care of loading and displaying the image. Now you're ready to display your asset images. Use the Asset Image Widget within your app's UI code, and the image will appear. This makes it easy to include custom graphics, icons, or any visual assets in your Flutter app. In conclusion, the Asset Image Widget is a valuable tool for presenting images that are bundled with your Flutter app. It simplifies the process of adding and displaying visual assets in your application. With a solid understanding of Asset Image Widgets, you can enhance the visual appeal and functionality of your Flutter apps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon.